For this experiment, gather 3 cups. Next, we're going to add a tablespoon of salt to one of our cups. And a tablespoon of sugar to another cup. The third cup, just leave empty. Next, we're going to add water to all 3 cups. You may want to stir both the salt water solution and the sugar water solution to help the crystals dissolve. Now you're going to take some gummy bears and drop 1 gummy bear in each solution. Just for scientific accuracy, you probably want to use the same color bear in each solution, but you might also have to label your cups so you can tell which one is which. Now that each of my bears is in his bath, we're going to wait for 24 hours to see what happens. My time isn't up yet, but checking on my bears, I can already see some changes happening. After 24 hours is up, I'm going to remove the gummy bears from each of their cups. First, the one that was just in plain water. It has broken into pieces, so I need to retrieve both pieces from the cup. Next, I'll retrieve my gummy bear that was in the sugar water solution. Lastly, I'll retrieve my gummy bear from the salt water solution. Now I'll compare my bears to a control bear, one that has not been in any solution. You can see the one that was in water got a lot bigger and messier than my control bear. The one that was in sugar water got a lot bigger, but maybe not as big as the one that was just in plain water. And my bear that was in salt water is barely any bigger than the one that wasn't in any water solution at all. So what happened? Gummy bears are made out of gelatin, which does not dissolve in water. It is also semi-permeable, so when it is placed in water, the water molecules move into the gummy bear in a process known as osmosis. Osmosis causes the water molecules to sort of seek a balance, so they move inside to the gummy bear where there are currently no water molecules, but gelatin and sugar molecules. The gelatin causes the gummy bear to act like a sponge and grow as it absorbs the water molecules. For the bear that is in our sugar water solution, there are sugar molecules in the bear as well as sugar molecules in the water, so not as much water needs to be absorbed into the bear to achieve balance. For our saltwater bear, the answer is in the number and size of molecules. There are more molecules in salt than are in the gelatin, and so the water moves to the salt molecules rather than into the gummy bear with the gelatin molecules. Try this experiment at home. What happens if you use other liquids like maybe vinegar? Just remember, your gummy bear might not be as sweet after he's had his bath.